Did you know that only 2.5% of the world's water is actually fresh water?
69% of that is in glaciers, 30% is in the ground, and only 1% is in lakes, rivers, and streams.
21% of the world's surface fresh water is in the Great Lakes.
Water starts in Lake Superior, flows all the way down to Lake Huron into Lake Michigan, and then continues its path all the way into Lake Erie, down Niagara Falls, into Lake Ontario, into the St. Lawrence, and then into the ocean.
This takes 204 years from water to get from the start all the way to the ocean.
Over 40 million people rely on the Great Lakes for fresh water.
And we are two of those people. We live in Kingston, Ontario, which is where Lake Ontario meets the St. Lawrence.
We're down here today by the Rideau River because we're gonna pick up garbage that would otherwise end up in these Great Lakes.
It's about a month after Earth Day, but we just want to say the importance of picking up garbage no matter what time of year it is, and it should not just be one day of the year, it should literally be every day.
But we have been meaning to do this for a long time.
Yeah. And we do pick up garbage when we see it.
Yeah, we try our best.
But we don't specifically walk down here.
Talking about garbage, this wasn't a prop. This is literally right here. So
and we also do have gloves, which we're gonna put on. And they're gardening gloves, so they're reusable.
So let's clean up.
Here's a little preview of what it looks like. It's kind of pretty.
So this is all the garbage we've collected so far.
Just in this little area, like just where the stream comes inward. It's crazy.
Look at all this styrofoam. I mean, styrofoam doesn't go anywhere. And these massive chunks, and all these little chunks, these massive chunks are falling apart.
So I was trying to collect.
And then you get
stuff.
you get this stuff everywhere.
So we have two clear bags. So one's gonna be recycling and one's gonna be garbage. So we're just quickly gonna sort that before going to our next location to do the same thing.
So we're just wrapping up. We got two big bags, mostly styrofoam. Like I'm so impressed but disappointed.
This one's a lot heavier. It's the garbage, so
it's all wet.
You can tell it's been in the water a lot longer.
And this guy, we're gonna try to recycle it. Hopefully it's salvageable. Anyhow,
all right.
Off to the next spot. We didn't show this earlier, but this is a big hill. So I'm a bit gassed. You know what? I do this too much. It makes me look like I'm out of shape. So I just climbed this hill and I'm not gassed at all. It's actually a big hill here. Good workout.
Hard work.
Wow.
It was not this warm when I put on these jeans this morning. I did have to go back down, up, and then back down because I forgot my sunglasses. So they're not even good sunglasses, but I don't want to litter. Also, I need sunglasses.
Garbage.
And it's recycling, so it goes in Keith's bag.
Nice.
Got another piece of garbage.
Nice.
I had to pick it up.
You're finding a lot.
Yeah, which is not great.
No, it's bad news.
Right here.
What? I'm not very good at this, it seems.
We're at a new location now, and Keith is going into the stream to get some garbage. We're gonna follow it down, pick it all up, and then go down to the water where it meets the Rideau. Success! So while we're walking, I thought I would tell you another statistic that I found out today, and that is that there are 8 million tons of plastic that goes into the ocean every single year. That's a lot of plastic.
Wow, thanks, Devin.
Okay, I thought it was really interesting. I may have said it slower than I intended. I'm not great with statistics, you'll learn.
Saving the world. Nice. Whoa, nice.
right? I found some more.
All this, that's all little pieces of styrofoam everywhere. It's all styrofoam. Falls apart, ends up here. Just a shame. Another thing we learned was that 10 million kilograms of plastic and trash find their way into the Great Lakes every year.
Yeah, what the heck? Every year.
Yeah.
That kind of blew my mind. Well, not really, considering all the garbage we just picked up.
Well, what was it, like 8 million metric tons of garbage in the ocean every year? That's pretty bad too.
Yeah. And we were just kind of sitting here reflecting for a little bit about how much, yes, it affects humans, but it's more the environment around us and the animals, like the geese we just saw.
Yeah, sure, we can clean our water and do whatever we want and add chemicals to make it better, but it's really the environment that it affects.
Yeah. So we hope this video hopefully helped encourage you to pick up trash, whether it's by the water or just anywhere.
Yeah, protect the Earth. Happy Earth Day. I guess this is sort of the
Every day is Earth Day. Yeah,
Earth
I
Day
like that.
party we wanted to have before, so there it is. We had a party for Earth.
Happy Earth Day every day.
Exactly.
Okay? That's what this video is. Earth Day every day.
Thanks for watching.